好啦，今日又到我打 FIFA 嘅時間。好啦，今日係玩咩咧？今日我係試下打傳奇級，睇下打唔打得贏，試一次。真係都未試過打，試下。好嘅，試下好嘅。好啦，對邊個好咧？都係對翻呢個啦，馬尼啦。好啦，我唔教陣容啦，直接開始啦！快啲啊，快啲跳過！竟然射唔入，心諗。靚波！好啦，開始。
This is the Liverpool side. Simon Mignolet starts in goal. Dejan Lovren plays with Kolo Touré as the centre-backs. James Milner starts with Emre Can in central midfield.
好啦，你啊！
Now for the pass.
唉，長到添。
That will be Liverpool's throw-in. They've got the ball
從
rolling
來未
again
試過
straight
打
away.
第一次，我平時都係打世界級，估唔到真係咁難。好啦，好啦，好啦！ 唉，
Wrong side of the post, but only just.
唉，竟然唔入，唉，
Pass it
好啦，好啦，好啦，又嚟啦，
mind of the opponent.
拉爛啦，唉，又係咁㗎，哦，
Through this
好，
defense. Good hands, bread and butter
好啦
work really by the
幫我哋接
goalkeeper.
殺，
Well, he did
靚
it
波，
very competently. He's
反
having a
擊，
good game.
我嚟啦，費明路，費明路，唉，又俾人搶到添，好啦，好啦，好啦，唔好爛到，唉。
Now it's with Wayne Rooney. Manchester United moving into the attack. And here's the shot. And the
嗱嚟啦，
Roberto Firmino.
唉！
Mata.
如果大家睇到呢條片嘅話，可以訂閱或
This
者
isn't an easy
like 啦
match。to call in terms of who will win, but let's look to see how Liverpool do. Chris Smalling.
好啦，嚟啦嚟啦嚟啦！我哋揀斬出去。
No cross, good block.
好啦，又俾翻隔離。入一個，入一個，過到。
The cross. Sturridge.
Yo!
High-class header to score.
Woo! Yes!
Great news for Liverpool. They are in front.
Yes! 拉劇啊真係。32分鐘入波啊！
Chan.
大家都可以試下對下嘅，可能有好多人都對過啦已經。
The shot's off.
發生咩事啊？
Well, he's failed to keep his
發
shot
生咩
down.
事啊？我冇，即係好射咗波，我明明撳傳波喎。接實啦，冇啦，你哋
Goalkeeper will get this
唔會
one,
俾
no
你哋
problem.
贏嘅。喂喂！
Wayne Rooney. Football fans have long memories. You can't fool them.
La,
You
la,
can
la,
expect
la,
this
la,
on
la.
every visit.
2打4。
That's a good challenge between them. Goalkeeper comes out with a punch. Oh, he's
哇死大鑊，冇嘢，真係冇嘢啦今次。好啦，到我反擊啦，唉反唔到擊添。
It
唉，
wasn't a chance to really get in at goal, but it was a
都
chance
冇
to keep
越
the ball.
位。
They're offside. Anyway,
嚟啦嚟啦嚟啦！拉爛啦！
here's the shot.
我竟然射失
Just
咗，
wide of the target.
竟然射失咗，真係冇諗過射失，黐咗線啊！Crazy man， 走音啊頭先唔好意思，小心啲。喂喂，做乜嘢啊？我明明就係傳俾阿邊個，嗰個邊個？唉，我唔知我自己講乜嘢啦。好啦，搶，喂，咪漏啦。
with 2 minutes.
My goodness！
That was it.
好啦，呢個上半場就完咗啦，呢家就開始下半場啦。好啦。
So can't keep the ball at the moment. Mata.
仲諗要換人添，點知俾人搶咗個
saunter out, pick that up.
好啦，古天奴，傳靚啊呢下喂，唔係翻唔到，哎靚，遠處啊，頂唔入啊！點解嘅？啊！我竟然俾華舒福入咗，好失望咯，唔得，要再做過。唉，失望回頭。輝明路，唉，點算好？
Coutinho.
有嚟啊！邊個嚟嘅呢個？唉，嗌不到波又射唔入。
On the front foot now, they've got the corner, hoping for the goal that will put them in the lead.
睇下先，傳奇級真係傳奇級啊！咁鬼勁嘅。
Can't keep it on the pitch.
喂，唔好啊！唔好啊！
Shot, making the goalkeeper's job pretty routine.
嚇死！嗱，反擊嚟啦！
Past his man there. Here's a chance.
哇！
Working hard.
飛機喎
Get the goal that will put them into the lead.
冇諗過啊！好啦，又到開龍門球嘅時間啦！呢家75分鐘，睇下有冇機會絕殺嚇，希望啦，又係咁。佢哋拉啦！嗱，加利！點解會這樣的咧？
It's a real tussle between the two of them. Try and get the ball.
呢場波暫時係冇換過人嘅，希望唔使換啦。
Liverpool take over possession again.
摩蘭奴點解可以射到咁樣㗎？真係，唉，不過算啦，第一次打，唔係第一次打 FIFA， 係第一次打傳奇卡。嗱，唔好亂嚟，又到反擊嘅機會啦！路夫蘭都上咗嚟啊！你睇下你，嗱，你邊個嚟？拉蘭，知道你知。角球，仲有個機會，84分鐘啊！絕殺，我要絕殺，有冇機會一球遠射？哇！射中我小我哋，笑死人咩？唔好意思，又走咁添。哇！隻雞係阻住咗，搞到睇唔到咯。入佢啊，老夫蘭，頂唔到啊！冇，哇！好彩啫。IG 啊！古天奴，點解又係飛機嘅？我唔明白點解。我俾人絕殺啊！點算好啊？
We had seemed to be stuck in a bit of a stalemate in truth, but this very late goal has changed that.
Well, they threw men forward and they've got the reward.
去報仇。唉，竟然俾人絕殺，好啦，我哋下一集再見啦吓，好啦，下一集再見，拜拜。